In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest way to block any websites or domain using Windows Firewall. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to large icons and select here Windows Defender Firewall and select the advanced settings. Right click on the outbound rules and select a new rule. Select custom and select next. Make sure it is selected all programs and select next. Make sure it is selected any and select next. Which remote IP address does the rule apply to? Select these IP address and now go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this command used in my video. In website you want to block type it guys. So in my case I'm gonna block the Instagram. Now copy the command and paste it in here and press enter. Copy the first address as you can see over here just by select it and just right click and it will be copied. Select the add option and just right click and paste the address and select OK. Again select the add option and go back to CMD. Copy this second address just by right click and just minimize this, paste the address we copied and select OK. Both address has been added. Select next option. Select this block the connection option and select next. Make sure three options are checked and select next. Name this like you want. I'm gonna type Instagram block, then click on finish. Just stuff here, minimize this, and I'll show you guys it is blocked or not. Instagram, that's the Instagram site. As you can see now, right now it's up. This site can't be reached. This is what happened. We search for Instagram. Again, I'm showing you login. As you can see, the site can't be reached. Now I show you guys how to unblock the site. Go back to Windows Defender Firewall and right click on the rule we created and select delete option and select yes. Now go back to the Chrome and you can reload the page. You can log into Instagram and the site will work without any problem guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.